So guys, finally the one I've been waiting for. So if you've been following the channel, I do a lot of unboxings, and this one will be a cool unboxing, but this is going to be the next build. So let's open it. I haven't opened before, so let's check what we have. If I'm correct, this will be a cool diorama that I'm visible in. Ooh. So this will be like the brick wall. Just put that one side. Do from one side as well. And then we have the rest of the board. So this will be the top of the. So it's basically a small army house, basically. And then obviously I had it pre-cut just for the build to be a bit faster. But another cool product from Temu. But let me just open it up here. Let me just close this box for you guys. So let's see. Super cool. So basically that's the roof. Then we've got the roof here, roof tiles, another roof tile, and you've got part of the roof here as well, made out of wood. Nice little ladder. Yeah, so that will be it for the vlog today. So you guys, little close up. So this is the foam. Then these ones are like paper, I don't know, like a cardboard, and then got the little wood that I had cut. Obviously it's a 3D laser, and there's a little ladder. This will be part of the window. Then, as you guys can see close up, the little grooves. That will be the house. So that will be it for today's vlog. Show you guys a cool little close-up of the stone. This is me, such a cool build. We're gonna kit it out, and that will be the full build that I'm busy building now. So stay tuned, guys.